Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to create a professional resume in just a few minutes using LinkedIn, Claude AI, and Overleaf LaTeX. Step 1. Start with LinkedIn. Go to your profile and download your resume as a PDF. This gives us a solid base to work with. Step 2. Open Claude AI. Upload the PDF you just downloaded, and then give Claude a simple prompt asking it to convert your resume into LaTeX format. Step 3. Claude will generate clean LaTeX code for you. Copy that code. This is the magic part that makes your resume look professional and customizable. Step 4. Head over to Overleaf, paste the LaTeX code, and click Recompile. Wait a few seconds, and you'll see your resume beautifully formatted. The best part? You can tweak the design, adjust sections, and make it stand out for different job applications. Please like, comment, and subscribe this video.